Hi everyone, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we will do a revision of the block 3, that is summarizing a fiction text. In this block we have a poem which is A Boy's Love for a Sparrow. We will just look on the chapter once again and you all can regain the story in your minds. Let's have a look at the video. One day there was one boy who lived in a hut. The boy was not very big, he was a small boy. Okay, let's see what happens. He used to be very fascinated by the sparrows outside his house. He used to always keep on looking at them from the house window. There was big power lines beside his house. All the sparrows used to come and sit over there. See, y'all can see the sparrows on the power lines. One day, when he was going to school, he found something very unfamiliar. He found that one sparrow was entangled in the wires and struggling to be free. See how the sparrow is entangled in the wires? He went home hurriedly and told his mother about it. But her mother said, "We cannot do anything about it." Then he was very sad. He was on his way to school. He went back to school again. Then he decided that he will go to the lighthouse where the people will off the wires and take the sparrow out. When he went to the lighthouse, he met with the caretaker, the watchman. Okay, and then the watchman took him to the manager. And the manager inquired from where the boy was and what he wanted from them. And the boy told that we have a issue, we have a sparrow entangled into the wires, and I know y'all can help me. The manager told, "Oh, fine, you go home, don't worry, we will help you." Then, in the night, when the boy went to sleep, he heard a big sound. Now, let's see what the sound was all about. He saw a few firemen over there outside. They had put off the electricity of the whole area. Why? Because they wanted to save the sparrow. Now, then he told the boy, "Go on, take us to the place where the sparrow is stuck." So then Hiranal sat into the truck and he went to the place where the sparrow was stuck. They all saw the sparrow where it was. It was stuck high above. One man properly climbed up with the help of a ladder and freed the bird. Okay, and when he came down with the bird quickly ran away. He quickly ran away, and Hilalal was very happy. Okay, read the chapter once again and we will review it once again. Okay, thank you.